everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just want to say sorry I haven't made a video in quite a long time. I've just been busy with work, as you know it. This isn't my main source of income, so yes. Just want to say sorry for the quality of this video and my appearance. It's currently 10 o'clock at night time and I just really wanted to film this video. But yeah, no makeup on, probably just a bit of eyebrows. I've got to remove my eyebrows after I've just had a long day at work, so yes. So I just want to say sorry I haven't made a video in quite a long time. Yeah, I've just been busy with work and I thought I'd start off 2021 strong with an unboxing. What's new? So I'll go ahead and insert the footage from this afternoon when I first filmed it, because I just really wanted to film it straight away because I didn't want to like not film it, if that makes sense. So I'll put that in right now. The bag that it comes in, I actually purchased this from GCT Vintage, that Japanese consignment store. So let's go ahead and have a look at the item that I purchased. This is my first time seeing it just with you guys as well, so I just cut it open. This is how it looks. It's just in a box, just like this. Let's go ahead and open it, shall we? This is my first time actually ordering from them. They were pretty nice on Instagram and I was messaging them. Some of my requests they didn't really do, because I asked if they could stuff the bag prior to shipping so it doesn't lose its shape during transit. But yeah, anyways, so it is pretty, it's packaged pretty well, I'll give them that. That's how that looks. Okay, so it doesn't come with a dust bag. Alright, so I've actually never had this on my radar. I haven't really seen many videos of it on YouTube, but this is the bag, how it came. Now it does have a weird smell to it. It is a vintage Dior bag. I've never ever had any Dior bags at all. This is just later in the evening from today. I went ahead and, you know, tried it out, put some things in it, and sorry if I seemed a bit like off in the video. It was just a really long day at work and I was just completely over it. I want to do a comparison as well with the Speedy Nano so you guys can see firsthand how they look like side by side. But yeah, so this is my first ever Dior bag. It's a vintage bag. I don't think they make this kind of style in Dior currently. I have not much knowledge at all on Dior, to be honest. I just pretty much saw this, I forget where I saw it, probably somewhere on Instagram as usual. But yeah, I fell in love with it. I fell in love with the silhouette of the bag. I think it's called the Dior Trotter bowling bag or Dior bowling bag. It's the mini size. So here's the bag. She is so cute. And originally this padlock and keys were attached to the little zipper pull, but I put it back on the side here, like where it's pretty much like a Speedy, honestly. But yes, so this is the Dior, the mini Trotter little bowling bag type of bag. So it's pretty much the same size as a Speedy, like literally silhouette of a Speedy, but it's more, I searched the measurements and it's pretty much similar size to the Speedy BB. And as you guys can see, I'll grab the Speedy Nano. As you guys can see, that's how the sizing is. It's so cute. And what I like about it fits the iPhone Pro Max like comfortably without having to move it in a certain way with the Speedy Nano. But yeah, I have it filled with my stuff in it at the moment. I'll go ahead and show you some close-ups because I didn't really do that in my initial unboxing. So there's a little padlock. bottom of the bag. So it is a vintage Dior oblique pattern, so it is a softer material. I do believe that this also comes with a kind of like coated canvas style, like you know how Gucci comes out with that kind of coated canvas look. It's a bit more, I wouldn't say plasticky, but it has that coated feel on it. So it's more of a wipeable material. This is actual material and leather, and it has a CD little embossing just right here on all the D's. So nice. And then I have the keys inside the actual bag itself. So moving on, you can see it's actually super duper filled with all my stuff in it. I'll go ahead and do like a little what's in my bag while I'm here, so you guys can see what I actually have inside the bag currently. So anyways, so I have like the side pockets. There's a pocket here and then a zipper pocket on the other side. I'll show you when it's empty. So I just have my Dior lip gloss and my work keys just for easy access for the both. And on top I have my car keys, my clay and my car key and my gym fob. I have my brush, my little mini wet brush, which is good to brush my hair out. So and surprisingly at the very bottom I have my spray. This is what I usually bring just for work, for like touch-ups. It's Ariana Grande Cloud Body Mist. It's actually really big and surprisingly it can fit inside this bag, so that's insane. And last two things in here is just my my mini pochette with all my essentials, and just my, is that all that I have in here? Yeah, and my little wallet. And inside my wallet I just have my little card holder. So that's that one. It fits perfectly. It's pretty much essentially the same size as the mini pochette. That is pretty much all that's inside. I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see. So there's a pocket just inside there. So there's a little push button where you can push it open. So just right there. And then on the other side it has the zipper. It has the zipper just there. I'm not sure if you'll see, just right there. Yeah, overall that's pretty much everything that I currently have in my little Dior bag, and little comparison that I have with the Speedy Nano. I'll quickly show you as well the iPhone Pro Max. That's it side by side with the bag. It's pretty much the same height as it, and so literally just goes in so like comfortably, sits flat inside the bag. It's so nice. I'm actually quite impressed with it, and it came really fast. I literally ordered this on the 14th I believe, and it's the 19th, so, and it came from Japan, so it was 5 days. Also, if you're from Australia and you buy over $1,000, you will have to pay the tax and import duties when it comes in, so just be aware of that. I'm pretty happy with this bag. I did give it a clean. I use a little leather cleaner on the handles and all the leather parts, and then I just wiped it down with wiped down all the hardware as well with like a little microfiber little cloth. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my little first impressions, I suppose, and the mini what's in my bag with my little vintage Dior bag. I'm gonna see how it goes. I'm gonna use her to work tomorrow, see how I feel. I'm really interested in getting maybe a strap for it. Like, what do you guys think? Do you reckon I should get a strap and attach it to the D's and see how it looks? I'm not sure, but I feel like the strap is gonna be more expensive than like more than what I paid for the bag. So we shall see if I can do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little video, and sorry again for the delay in videos and the lack of videos, but I hope you guys enjoyed, and give this video a thumbs up if you do like this cute little Dior vintage bag, and also let me know down below what you want to see from me. Once again, I just want to say a massive thank you to all my OG babes. Mwah, I love you all so much, and thank you to all my new ones that have recently subscribed. I love you too, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!